All right, good morning, boys. What it's up? It's your boy Juan back with another video, back with another trade recap. Here is how I made $3,380 trading the Nasdaq this morning. I made about 857 per account, 840 per account. So $3,330 on this day. Beautiful day. I had a one and done. I took just this short position. Guys, I alerted this trade to my Discord on my VIP under Daily Edge pre-market analysis where I signal these trades and I tell you guys what I'm looking at each and every single morning. If you guys don't know about this, click the link on my description above. It's going to be under Strategic Bulls VIP mentorship. Having said that, let's get right into the trade, right? I took this short position towards these lows after doing a very easy top-down analysis into what I saw and why I was bearish for the day. Very easy day, guys. We are in a bear run right now. We're extremely bearish. We have clear displacement to the downside, clear delivery to the downside. I told my Discord pre-market I was looking for shorts simply because the overall time frame is obviously bearish. If we take a look at the 50-minute time frame, what do we have here? Guys, I trade with the trend. I never overcomplicate anything. We are creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We're bearish as fuck. Okay, I never fight the trend. I simply take a piece of that pie, take a piece of that continuation to the downside. Okay, boys. I took this trade at 9:32. So literally, as soon as market open, I was in here, right? I told the Discord I wanted to see a bounce off. Well, here, I'll give you guys a top-down analysis. I wanted to see a retracement simply because if we take a look at our session indicators on the 50-minute time frame, price swept a lot of liquidity, guys. I believe we swept London lows, right? We swept London lows right here. I believe we swept Asia lows as well. Here we swept these low, we swept previous days lows, and we swept London lows. Okay, so we have a lot of liquidity sweeps, right? We swept a lot of liquidity on the higher time frame. So because we swept these low right here, we swept these low, we swept these low, we swept a lot of liquidity. Price will never just simply flush to the downside forever, right? If we go on a replay button right before market open, I'll go at 9:27 here, right? Here, what do we have? We have a 15-minute gap or a 5-minute gap, I believe it was. Yeah, it's a 5-minute bearish gap. So as you can see right here, this wick and this wick, this gap in between. I think we also had a 15-minute. Yeah, no, we didn't have a 15-minute, but we had a 15-minute right here, right? Bro, we have bearish PDRA stacked on top of each other. Like, so much bearish confluence, okay? When we take a look at the 5, price retrace, right? Back what I was saying about the retracements. Price will never just entirely do something like this, right? Price is never just going to dump to the downside. No, we're going to retrace and then we're going to create a lower low, right? In the case of today, that's what this retracement was to me, right? We have a 5-minute bearish gap here. What is price doing? We're tapping into this. I wanted the price to tap into this for a better entry. If I am bearish on the day, I want to see this PDRA hold and I want this imbalance to push price lower. Okay, I want to see a clean delivery to the downside all the way from this point, right? This point, push price down of this imbalance right here, 5-minute bearish imbalance here, right? And that's precisely what we get, right? Sure, we do have these highs here, but we have a lot of bearish gaps here stacked on top of each other. There's a 15 here, there's a 5-minute here. So I was like, okay, I'm bearish in the day. I'm not going to fight a falling knife, right? I'm going to align with price, see what price presents, right? We have a 1-minute imbalance here. We also had a 2-minute IFG here, tiny as fuck. I was like, okay, if we get an inversion of this or an inversion of that, I'm short of that. And I precisely and accurately went short of that for a one-on-one risk reward, right? So here's 927. Here's my POV. Market opens there. Boom. I'm not short entirely of there. I went short here when price tapped into this at this point. I literally went short at this point. Could have had a better entry. I really could have entered somewhere here for like a more like a reversal, catching the top, placing my stop loss above this point. But guys, why I entered where I entered, I don't know if price is going to come back here and then do this, right? Higher and take out this high right here to the left. I don't know that. I don't know that, guys. I don't know that. And I want to, my job as a continuation trader, I want to make sure price will indeed come to the downside. What do we get here? I 1 minute changing the state, invert this 1-minute bullish gap, right? This plays lower, create another big gap here, aggressive move to the downside, leaving this gap. This is a plus setup to me, right? Higher time frame, it's extremely bearish. We just stepped into a bearish 5 minute gap and respected it. A plus continuation to the downside. Okay, and this internal low is my draw on liquidity. You can pretty much guess what happened next. What do we do next? TP hit, boys. TP hit, and that's how I made $3,000 today in this beautiful 101 short position right here to the downside. Okay, 101.1, right? 27 points. Stop loss placed above this gap to make 28 points. Yeah, 101, beautiful. Honestly, repeatable, high win rate. That's simply how we do it over here, boys. $3,330 for the day. I take the same trades every single day, and I alert all of these trades on my free Discord. For those of you guys who don't know, go ahead and check the link in my description. There you will see my Discord, and you will see what the fuck I'm talking about. And yeah, if you guys join, you guys will be catching the same trades that I catch. I would love to teach you guys everything that I know, go more into depth with my model, which is exactly and precisely what I do on my Discord. So if you guys really, really want to see how I look at the charts and the model behind these nice executions, go ahead and click the link of Strategic Bulls VIP mentorship on my description. Okay, boys, good day. 3.3K on the day. Follow my model, follow my edge. We're going to keep this win rate high. I'm going to down this fucking caffeine and I'm going to go to the gym. Okay, boys, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on Monday. You guys have a very good weekend. Let's go.